Hey everyone, and welcome back to Write With Me, the podcast that helps you become a stronger, more confident English writer, one lesson at a time. Now, today's lesson is all about describing your best friend. This episode focuses on descriptive writing, especially how to describe people clearly and thoughtfully. You'll use adjectives, examples, and emotional language to help your reader understand why this person is special to you. For today's writing prompt, here we go. Write a detailed description of your best friend. What does he or she look like? What kind of personality do they have? How did you meet? Describe things like what you do together. Use specific examples to show why this person is important to you. Include emotions, memories, and comparisons. Aim for 30 to 40 sentences, as usual. This is a descriptive and personal writing task. You are going to describe a real person, someone that you care about. To write clearly, you need to describe their appearance, describe their personality, share memories and things you did together, or even what you do together. It depends on the tense of your article. Explain why this person is meaningful to you. Use present tense when talking about your friend today, and use past tense for stories about how you met or things that you have done together in the past. Your goal is to help someone reading your work really understand who your best friend is. Here is some helpful vocabulary for you to describe people. Let's talk about their appearance first, which means their looks. They're tall, short, medium height, slim, not me, athletic, strong, long hair, short hair, curly, straight, black, brown, blonde. Maybe they have red hair. They wear glasses, have dimples. I don't have dimples anymore. Bright smile, stylish clothes. Yeah. Let's talk about their personality traits. They're kind, honest, funny, serious, patient, brave, shy, confident, helpful, loyal. One of the best ones. We have relationship and connection words. Trust, share secrets, understand each other, support, laugh together, argue but forgive, always there for me. Now, we have to have our sentence starters, so you can try using some of these as openers. My best friend's name is. We met when. He or she has. One thing I love about them is when I'm sad, my friend, we always. A special memory we share is. And what makes this person unique is. Those are great sentence starters. Now, let's talk about our outline to help you organize your ideas. Paragraph 1 is the introduction. Who is your best friend? How long have you known them? And where did you meet? Paragraph 2 is their appearance. What do they look like? How do they dress? Do they have any special features? Think dimples or a mole or something. Paragraph number 3 is their personality. What kind of person are they? Are they funny, kind, quiet, outgoing? Give an example that shows their personality. Now, paragraph number 4 are activities and memories that you have together. What do you like to do together? Describe a time you laughed or had fun. Maybe you had a problem and they helped you through it. Any traditions or habits that you want to share? Paragraph 5 is why they matter. This is the important part. Why do you care about this person so much? How has this person helped or supported you? Why are they important in your life? And what do you hope for your friendship in the future? Now I have to give you an example paragraph so I know you're on the right page. Here's mine. My best friend's name is Kevin. We've known each other since high school, and we still talk almost every day. Kevin is tall with short black hair and a very bright smile. He usually wears casual clothes and always carries a small notebook in his pocket because he loves writing poems. I tease him about that. Kevin is quiet around strangers, but when he's with people he trusts, he's one of the funniest people I know. I remember one time we got lost during a hiking trip, and he made jokes the whole time to keep us calm. We laugh about it now, but it showed me how strong and calm he can be under pressure. We love playing games online and going to small coffee shops to talk about life. Kevin is the kind of person who really listens and never judges. When I was going through a hard time at work, he called me every night just to make sure I was okay. He's not just a best friend, he's like a brother. I hope our friendship lasts forever because I can always count on him. Hmm. I hope you have a Kevin in your life too. Now, take your time, write your paragraph. If you want, you can pause the video, write your paragraph, and then come back. Or if you're ready to go, let's just wrap up this video as usual. So, either way, well done today. Writing about your best friend helps you practice adjectives, helps you have sentence variety, and helps you with emotional expressions. All of these are important parts of becoming fluent in English writing. Now, in our next episode, we will switch gears and talk about differences. We'll compare life in a city and in the countryside. And you'll learn how to write a compare and contrast essay with balance and logic, which most people forget. Mm. This was Write With Me. Thank you for showing up and thank you for writing with me. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.